My name is Kristin Philips, and I am a cultural anthropologist, and I teach at Emory University in Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States.
I'm Erin Dean, and I'm an anthropology professor at New College of Florida in Sarasota, Florida.
I was here this week with my colleague Erin Dean to teach a 3-day workshop on qualitative methods. And we were really excited to do this as anthropologists. We rely heavily on qualitative methods and have taught qualitative methods to undergraduate and master's and doctoral students for a long time, and think that, that this kind of format is one of the best ways to give students doing research a foundation in the logics and the practice of qualitative research.
And I was so happy to be here this week with my colleague Kristin Philips from Emory University. We were doing a qualitative research methods workshop with students here at Nelson Mandela University.
So topics we discussed we're doing interviews, doing observations, designing qualitative research studies, and thinking pretty closely about how a qualitative research study offers different opportunities than studies that use more statistical data. What's important to know about the class that we taught was it was 3 hours a day for 3 days, and so it was a more limited time than we have when we teach the class over the course of a semester. There were some topics that we weren't able to cover. There were certain kind of methods or techniques that we definitely could have spent more time on or weren't able to cover at all. Some of those would be the analysis, the collection and analysis of visual data and the use of visual data in the process of data collection, things like photo elicitation, or the analysis of existing visual data. Those are really important themes. There were some important pieces that definitely merit more time than the 3 days we had together offered. But we hope that the attention to some of the foundational techniques of research will really benefit student research.
We were really excited to be able to partner with Wise Futures to do this workshop. Wise Futures, and particularly Hans Komakech, have been really integral in supporting our research here on renewable energy. So it was a really great opportunity to work with them on this particular workshop. And we were also really excited to be able to collaborate with our co-facilitators from Nelson Mandela, Dr Marwa, Dr Kipacha, and Dr Sassi. It's been so lovely to work with them this week, and hopefully the students got something out of this workshop.